Hi everyone, so today I'm looking at this kids play tent with enclosure that was sent to me by the brand. This is a really cool 2-in-1 playhouse with a canopy tent that measures about 69 inches long. It's 39 inches wide and 53 inches tall. So it's definitely big enough for about 4 to 5 kids to play comfortably inside. This tent comes together really easy. Assembly is very basic. You don't need any tools. Everything just snaps together. The instructions are really clear. I even had my kid help me, my daughter help me, which made it like a fun little project. I really do like that it comes with really sturdy poles that just snap into each other. They're pretty sturdy. It's hard to bend them. So once this is all assembled, it's very lightweight, but it does have good structure and just a good kind of a durable build. This tent is a 2-in-1, so you can remove the enclosure on the side and it becomes just a kind of a house tent. You also can add that at any point, and it just makes this so much versatile. Without the enclosure, it's just a little tent. It's great for a reading corner, or maybe you can play pretend cafe. My daughter really gets creative. I love that it's spacious, it's bright, it's really easy to get in and out of. It has these little curtain doors that just open up super easily, so it's such a cool design that is fun and versatile. Of course, if you have maybe smaller children, you can use the enclosure. It's very easy to snap it back into the house and it becomes a really cool canopy style hideaway. You can even use this as a bed tent and throw a small mattress there. It does come with a padded mat for comfort if you're using it on hardwood floors like I am. It also comes with string lights that really create a really fun kind of a magical, whimsical glow. These flags you can fix or just throw on top, which gives it a really cool design and decoration. So once it's all set up, it is surprisingly roomy inside. I can even fit inside comfortably. The structure feels sturdy. I love that it comes with the reinforced PVC poles, and it comes with this polyester fabric that is machine washable. It's great for keeping it clean if you have kids. I know that messes happen, so it is very versatile. I think in the summertime, you can easily set this up as a little outdoor picnic tent in your backyard. It's just such a fun and cozy spot for kids to read, play, or even nap. So overall, if you are looking for a play tent that is spacious, that's easy to set up, it's versatile enough for both play, relaxing, and kids of different ages. I feel like you can definitely have, if you have a wide range of ages with kids, they could find this really fun. This is such a great option, this little play tent with enclosure.